and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Structures Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to remove a silhouette. A silhouette is the white haze that you see at the bottom of your template that is used to make the text more visible on colored backgrounds. To remove this silhouette, we'll go to the Layers tab on the left-hand side of your asset bar. Underneath watermarks, you'll see the rest of the background and images have been grayed out so that way you do not select them. We can edit the silhouette from this portion. To remove the silhouette, either change the watermark opacity to level 0 or simply drag it to the right and you'll see the X to delete the silhouette out of the template. Once you've deleted it out, click back on Layers to come back to your regular view. Save your changes. And once you go back to your print package and generate your PDF file, the silhouette will no longer be visible. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.